Hello and welcome to Paddock. Today we're going to rename a client file in Advisor. So the first thing that we want to do is sync the file on your mobile app to make sure that the latest data is available on Corner Post. Then we're going to open your desktop product and sync and open the file. So I'm going to rename this BPC Oz holding file today. So I'm just going to double click to open it. And then I'm just going to click on any Paddock. So what I want to do is I want to go to File, I want to go to Save and Send, and I want to go to Save As. It comes up with a warning. It should not be used for a backup, and that's because it's going to create a brand new copy of the file separate to the old one on Corner Post. Select Yes on that prompt. Now, when it comes up with this Save As interface here, we want to make sure that it's saving your file in the same location as your other files. So on my computer, that's under C drive, and then Paddock Company and Advisor and Clients. And so I navigate to that spot and then where I can see my other files. If you can't see your other files on screen, make sure you do find out where they are. So by doing that, you can click on Cancel. You can go to File, and you can see over here on this local file folder where your files are stored. Okay, back to the process. So we're just going to save and send. Choose your file location. And then we're going to give it the new name. And save. You'll get another prompt. This will create a new data instance. Click yes on this. Now, if you wait a few seconds, you'll see in the top toolbar that you are now in the new file. So what we want to do is we want to close this file. So just click close on the left. Now we're going to refresh file list. And what we should see is that your new file will be right down the bottom as a local only file. So I can see it down here. We want to now sync that to Corner Post, which means it's available on your other devices. So we go to Tools, we go to Reset Sync Clock, we hit Yes, and then we hit Sync Selected Files with Corner Post. That may take a few minutes. Click OK on that prompt. So now you want to wait about 5 minutes or so, and in 5 minutes you can just refresh the file list that you see here until it's an available Corner Post file, and you'll just see that alphabetically in your list here. So at this stage it's not visible, I just see my old one. When it is visible, that means that you can retrieve that file to your mobile app just by touching on File Management, touching on the file and touching Done. You can also remove the old file if you do want to, and that would just be by single clicking the old file in the list and clicking Delete Selected Files from Corner Post. That will remove it from Corner Post. You'll still need to remove that from your mobile app if you want to, and that's just by going into the mobile app into File Management, clicking the burger menu on the left, and then clicking Delete Client from within that old client file. I hope that has been helpful. Have a great day.